Welcome to a new unpacking. The new X set EX4 alternative being is out, having the usual composition of 74 cards for an X set. We have more super rares than usual, but I think that's also in the next sets. And we have a box topper. It can have alt arts of the 4 tamers from the set, alt arts of 2 option cards, or in rare instances a silver background foiling Omnimon Sword Defeat. That was the secret rare of PT5, Battle of Omni. So let's see. Obviously the Omni Sword would be the coolest pull here. And it's Kiriha and Nene. I'm not even sure what the difference is to the standard one, because it's a rare card anyway, so there is already foiling, but we will probably see soon. I also think they've changed the pull rates a little bit. I've seen lots of videos where they've pulled 3 alt arts and the normal arts secret rare, where one of the alt arts even was a secret rare alt art, which wasn't possible in X2 and X3 as far as I know. But yeah, let's see. We start with the new black Agumon for the Omnimon Alter S-Jogres line. And another Agumon, fake Agumon Expert. And black Greymon. Then we have a new male Birdramon for blue flare. Trident Gaia. Victory Greymon's special attack. Turuimon with the new Alliance keyword. The new Gilmon. I think it's the rookie for the Chaos Gallantmon line of this set. On play, if the total number of cards in both players' trashes is 20 or more, this Digimon gains Rush for the turn. This is actually so unspecific that it can be played in every red and purple deck, I would say, because you don't need anything else for it to get the rush effect than the trash count of the players. That's a Beast Blade and Shining Dragon Bullet, the Omnimon Alter S option card, and honestly it looks really cool. Tsunomon, the new Gaomon. The first rare of the set is Terriermon Assistant. And Falcomon, which is the searcher for the Ravemon deck. Yeah, so there's basically lots of Digimon that have different forms and stuff, like Terriermon and Lopmon. Terriermon's a searcher. Yeah. Shuchong and 2-color green card searcher. The new Gaussmon for blue flare, which adds some draw power. Black Agumon, Tarnished Hero. What's that? While you have a green Digimon or Tamer in play, you may use this card without meeting its color requirements. Okay, that's cool. Delete one of your opponent's level 3 Digimon, then place this card in your battle area. Delay. The opponent may trash one option card in their hand. If they do not trash a card, gain 2 memory. Oh, this card is cool. And it's only a 3 cost. Yeah, that's cool. I like this one. Deadly Agumon, Twilight or Dark Knightmon support. The virus form of Omnimon with Alliance. I think almost every card of the Terriermon and Lopmon lines in this set has Alliance, which is when the Digimon with Alliance attacks, you can suspend one of your other Digimon. Then the Digimon with Alliance gets the Digimon's DP and gains the security attack +1 effect, which is an interesting mechanic. Heaven's Judgment. The Virtue Cherubimon's attack. Pretty cool design. Yeah, Black Greymon for the red purple Chaos Gallantmon line. Blue Greymon also for blue flare. Black Repeatmon, Alliance, yeah. The Terriermon part of the Alliance bunny line. Cherubimon. Oh, it has Agumon, Agumon and Pegasusmon in the background. That's a cute detail. Oh, and my boy Shadow Seraphimon. Oh, this design is so sick. And it's kind of useful, I guess. But it's somehow sad that they didn't add some effect that allows Mercurimon to warp into it. But maybe they'll do something like that in another set. Male Birdramon, Lopmon, Gaussmon, Black Agumon, Tarnished Hero, Gilmon, another Virus Antilamon, Tsulomon, Gaomon, Black Growlmon, Gaomon, which is I think for Black Raw Greymon decks, and Victory Greymon as the first super rare. The design of the card is pretty cool, and the effect is nice too. When Digivolving, delete one of your opponent's Digimon with 6000 DP or less. For every Digimon your opponent has in play, add 2000 to the maximum this DP based deletion effect can delete. So it's not that hard to get rid of Mega Digimon with Victory Greymon, and all turns. When an opponent's Digimon is deleted, if you have a Tamer in play, delete one of your opponent's Digimon with the highest DP. I like that the effect is kind of vague, so you don't necessarily have to play it in a dedicated, I don't know, Greymon deck. but can add like 1-2 copies in regular red decks too. I'm not sure, but I think it even has synergies with the X2 Gilmon line, because they have effects that add DP to DP based deletion effects, but I actually have no idea. Deadly Agumon. The new Agumon. Black Agumon. Terriermon, which is also a searcher for 2 color green cards, and Henry. Oh, the new Renamon. Yellow blue for the silver evolution line, and Kuzuhamon. Wendigomon, the dark evolution of Lopmon. I still have nightmares from Digimon Survive. Thanks, Wendigomon. Greymon for the Shine Greymon shenanigans. Black Rapidmon. Pinamon. Pretty cool effect. If deleted outside of a battle, gain 1 memory. So perfect for purple decks. Digital translator. With this thing you can switch between stuff like Sakuyamon and Kuzuhamon, or Gallantmon, Chaos Gallantmon, and so on. Kerubimon. Vaccine? What? I thought that's a virus. I'm super confused. The normal one is also vaccine. Okay. Oh, but this artwork is amazing. It's smashing a building. And another super rare Greynightsmon for Blue Flare Twilight stuff. Can digicross from Blue Metal Greymon and Dark Knightmon. I'm wondering if this is a misprint, because Wendigomon and Antilamon are virus cards too. Maybe I just forgot that there's some difference. Anyway, Male Birdramon, Lopmon, oops, Gaussmon, Black Garurumon, Turuimon, which is data. I'm confusion. Black Wargrowlmon, Black Agumon, there's so much 2-color stuff going on that I'm sorting this stuff wrong. Gaia Reactor. This one's pretty insane, both artwork and effect. Choose one of each player's Digimon with the highest play cost. Delete all other Digimon. So you can essentially nuke the whole field. Chaos Gallantmon. And Kiriha and Nene. Yeah, the difference is kind of pathetic. But the box topper Thema Altards are never really good. Garurumon, Tarnished Hero, Deadly Agumon, Agumon, Greymon, Omnimon, Virus, and again, Heaven's Judgment, Greymon, Black Rapidmon, Pinamon, Agumon, and the first alt art is Falcomon, the little ninja boy. Going there. He's so cute. I'm kind of hoping for mega alt arts now, and of course the secret rare alt arts, because I think the Omnimon Alter S, Alter B, and Shine Greymon Ruin Mode alt art are the most expensive ones out of this set, and the rest is kinda okayish. Yeah, so we have Skull Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, the Seed Garurumon option, Black Agumon, Fake Agumon Expert, Greymon, the Data Antylamon. I really love this artwork. It's really cute. Trident Gaia, Crowmon, Domon, the silver version of Taumon, Kokomon, Henry and Shu Chong, and the next super rare Garurumon. I'm not sure if I remember this correctly, but I think my very first display was a really special booster version 1.0 display, and there I got the Leopardmon and Garurumon alt arts. But of course no Beelzemon, because Beelzemon hates me. Lopmon, Gaussmon, Garurumon, Tarnished Hero, Gilmon, Virus Antylamon, purple, Heaven's Judgment, Gaumon, Black Groundmon, Greymon, Kiriha and Nene, and Gold Vidramon. Oh cool, it has the Armor Purge effect, and can digivolve for a reduced cost from Vmon. That's cool. But I feel like we've already reached the point where we have seen most of the common and uncommon cards. Yokumon, the silver Cubimon is still missing, but I think most of the other stuff we've seen now. Gabumon, Terriamon, Heaven's Judgment, Rainamon, Agumon, Missimon, Metal Greymon, Gold Vidramon, and Cherubimon. Oh yeah, I think in theory there can be a silver metallic foil alt art of Omnimon Alter S that replaces a rare slot, I guess. Oh, Pac-Man is new too. Skull Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, Agumon, Wendigomon, Greymon, and Tylamon. And there's the silver Kyubimon, Yokomon. Vergarumon, black version. Arts Beast Blade, Shining Dragon Bullet. Oh, Aminor Ohabari, the Wravemon option. And Metal Greymon, which is also blue flare. Almost every monocolor blue card in this set is blue flare. Fake Agumon Expert, Greymon, Male Birdramon, Lobmon, Gaussmon, Gilmon, Tylamon, Kokomon, Blackwell Growlmon, Black Agumon, Kinan, and Gaiomon. Pac-Mon, Skull Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, Agumon and Tylamon, Data, Trident, Gaia, Toruimon, Dark Maeldramon, Chromon. I hate that it's Chromon and not Yatagaramon, but I can't change it. Domon, Amno Ohabari, Metal Greymon. Gabumon, Terriermon, Pac-Mon, Skull Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, Rainamon, Wendigomon, Digital Translator, Dark Maeldramon, Crowmon, Agumon Expert. This one's pretty cool too. Opponent's turn once per turn. When an opponent plays a Digimon, by revealing one card of the same level in your hand, place that card on top of your security stack face down. It is also rather you don't really need anything to pull this off, except for Agumon and of course luck. So in theory you can play this in every deck, even though it, I guess, makes more sense in security control. And there's this Aldart. Oh, I've jinxed it. Kresgarumon, but it's now Chika Morishita Aldart. I love this guy. It's really cool and dynamic. In theory, there's still two possible big hits. I really hope it is a display with 4 big hits. Rainamon, Wendigomon, Gaia Reactor, Agumon, Missimon, Agumon Expert, and Matt and Tai. Gabumon, Terriermon, Pac-Mon, Skull Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, Greymon and Tylamon, Metal Greymon, Yokomon, Vergarumon, where is Greymon? And Wravemon. That guy, I love him. if I ever get to actually play the game, I would like to play the Greymon deck, because I'm an idiot and the Greymon deck isn't too complicated. It's essentially just build this deck, kill Greymon with its own effect or with the Amino or Habari option card, and then win. So you don't have to think about all the 10,000 effects that are stacked underneath it. Wendigomon, Greymon, Black Repeatmon, Pinamon, Agumon Expert, and another Metentai. Pac-Mon, Skull Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, Agumon, Fake Agumon Expert, Greymon, Antylamon, Digital Translator, Dark Meldramon, Crowmon, Rise Greymon, and Terriermon Assistant. So here's 7 packs left, with hopefully 2 big hits, and hopefully in the last 2 packs. Yeah, that's a normal rare. Gabumon, Terriermon, Pac-Mon, Rainamon, Wendigomon, Greymon, Pinamon, Digital Translator, Dark Meldramon, Agumon, that's the first. Dark Knightmon, also a first. Which means we're getting to 1 copy of every card. Except for super rares and secret rares, obviously. That looks like something big, so I'll keep it for the finale. Greymon, Mailbird Ramon, Lopmon, Gaussmon, Trident, Gaia, Turuimon, Gilmon, Domon, Kokomon, Black Groundmon, Falcomon, and Kerubimon. Agumon, Tarnished Hero, Deadly Axemon, Gaugamon, Antylamon, Heaven's Judgment, Rainamon, Black Agumon, Gaia Reactor, Agumon, Shadow Seraphimon, and Black Mega Gagumon, which is a super rare. Three unopened packs left, and the one I haven't looked at yet. Oh, I think we actually have 2 big hits. Gabumon, Terriermon, Pac-Mon, Skull Knightmon, Wendigomon, Greymon, Antylamon, Missimon, Metal Greymon, Yokomon, Agumon, Dark Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, Agumon, Fake Agumon Expert, Greymon, Mailbird Ramon, Trident, Gaia to Ruimon. Vergarumon adds Beast Blade and Shining Dragon Bullet. Tsunomon, Henry and Shu Chong. And Chaos Gallantmon. Now on to the hopefully big hit packs. Fake Agumon Expert, Greymon, Male Birdramon, Lobmon, Gaussmon, Trident Gaia to Ruimon, Tsunomon, Gaumon, Black Growlmon, Keenan. Oh. Okay, it's just 3 big hits. I saw the border and thought that's an altered. But it's just Medieval Gallantmon, which is a kind of cool design, but the card itself, as far as I know, is pretty useless. But let's see. Agumon, Fake Agumon, Greymon, that's a pattern. Male Birdramon, Geo Greymon and Tylamon, Trident Gaia, Domon, Kokomon, Blackwa Growlmon, Matishita and Taikamiya, and oh, that's trash. Oh yeah, that was a not so good display. These super rares are Medieval Gallantmon, Black Mega Gargomon, Ravemon, Kresgarumon, Grey Knightsmon, and Victory Greymon. That makes 6 super rares. Okay. And the altered Gold Vidramon, Kresgarumon, and Falcomon. Yeah. So that's all the big hits. And on to the second display. So I'm missing 4 super rares, being Kuzuhamon, Blitzgreymon, the booster design Omnimon Alter S, and I don't remember the 4th one. Yeah, no, I have no idea. The Kerubimon are both not super rare. Yeah, no idea. Oh yes, Seed Garumon. So the missing super rares are Omnimon Alter S, Kuzuhamon, Seed Garumon, and Blitz Greymon. And of course both the secret rare Omnimon Alter B and Shine Greymon Ruin Mode. I really hope I have a 4 big hits display this time, like with 1 altered of a secret rare and 1 normal art, so that I at least have both numbers for the collection. Do we pull the Omnimon silver box topper? No, we don't. It's Henry and Shuchong. On to the booster packs. I think we've actually seen most of the commons, uncommons and rares, so there shouldn't be anything new. But let's see: Gaussmon, Black Agumon, Tarnished Hero, Deadly Exmon, Virus on Tylamon, Heaven's Judgment, Renamon, Tsunomon, Gaomon, Black Growlmon, Falcomon, and the Light Cherubimon. Oh god, I hope that I pull different alt arts, because if my curse continues I'm gonna be very pissed. I'm still traumatized from the 3 BT12 displays with Darkness Bargramon and alt art Arrested Ramon Superior mode. Greymon, Antylamon, Light version, Greymon, Black Rapidmon, Pinamon, Shadow Seraphimon, and Blitz Greymon. So that's at least one of the missing super rares. Now I do want a repeat Wraithmon. Packmon, Skull Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, Agumon, Fake Agumon, Expert, Gilmon, Antylamon, Ultimate Virus, Holy Beast, Ultimate Data, Holy Beast Deva. Oh, that's interesting. So only the data version is a Deva. The virus thing is still a Holy Beast, but not a Deva. Crowmon, Domon, Metentai, and Rise Greymon. We're actually getting all the Deva in the next X set, Animal Colosseum X5, but it's like, I don't know, 6 months until its English release. The cards haven't even been announced yet. We just know that the Devas will be in there, some stuff from the Animal Colosseum Pendulum toy, and both the lines of Coronamon and Solarmon and Lunamon. So we finally get Apollomon and Dianamon. But I'm excited for this one. Machgaugamon, Dark Knightmon. I feel like these two always come together. But of course in the X sets there's only so many combinations possible due to the limited amount of cards. Greymon, Mailbirdramon, Lopmon, Gaussmon, Antylamon, Heaven's Judgment, Renamon, Domon, Kokomon, Blackwell Growlmon, Henry and Shuchong, and Chaos Gallantmon. Gabumon. Is this a Kenji Watanabe artwork? Yes, it is. His style is kinda easy to recognize, just like Naochika's with the alt arts and Koki stuff that I usually don't like because the artwork is just not, I don't know, I just don't really like it. There it is. It all just kinda looks flat and I don't even know how to describe it. I just don't really like it. Yokomon, Gold Vidramon, Kerubimon. Deadly Axmon, Gaogamon, Gabumon, Terriermon, Wendigomon, Koki, Altart, Normal Art, Antylamon, Agumon, Missimon, Metal Greymon, Kinan, and Gaiyomon. I think I got most of the pieces for the Ravemon deck. Maybe one more Falcomon, one more Kinan, one or two Amino or Habari. Oh yeah, the Agumon is also Kenji Watanabe. Oh yeah, that's really well done. Fake Agumon Expert, Greymon, Male Bertramon, Gilmon, Dark Antylamon, Heaven's Judgment, Vergarumon, also Koki, Tsunomon, Amino Habari, Metal Greymon. Pac-Mon, Skull Knightmon, Full Metal Blaze, Agumon, Fake Agumon, Trident Gaia, Turuimon, Yokomon, Vergarumon, Agumon Expert. Oh, yes. That's the normal art Shine Greymon Ruin mode, which means there's a chance to pull 3 alt arts, I think. At least I hope there's no displays where you can pull 2 alt arts and 1 normal art secret rare. That would kinda suck. Male Bertramon, Lopmon, Gaussmon, Garumon, Tarnished Hero, Heaven's Judgment, Rainamon, Blackwa Growlmon, Black Gargomon, Gaia Reactor, Amino Habari. Now I definitely have 4 of those. Metal Greymon, and more Garurumon, Tarnished Hero, Deadly Axmon, Gaogamon, Wendigomon, Greymon, Antylamon, Black Gargomon, Gaia Reactor, Agumon, Kiriha and Nene, and Victory Greymon, which is actually only the second super rare. of this display. But we have 6, 9, 12, 13, okay. After this pack it's halfway through. But I like it when the big hits come in the second half. Makes it more interesting. Greymon, Wendigomon, Agumon, Black Agumon, Black Agumon, Agumon Assistant, and Agumon. Black Agumon, Tarnished Hero. Deadly X. Agumon is also from Koki. Gabumon, Greymon, Tylamon, Gaia Reactor, Agumon, Missimon, Falcomon, and Cherubimon. Lopmon, Chaos Guru, Tarnished, Reina Wendigo, Kyogre, Gao, Black Grey O. Is this a... no, that's not an altered. Kinan. Oh, my boy Ravemon. Perfect. But now I would like to pull the 3 missing super rares: Blitz, Greymon, Kuzuhamon, and Omnimon Alter S. And I'm rushing through the rest. Skull Knight, Full Metal Blaze, Greymon, Antula, Trident, Digital Translator, Dark Meldrumon, Crowmon, Terriermon Assistant, yeah, just my usual luck. Pulling the same altered or secret rare back to back in 2 displays. Agumon, Agumon, Agumon Digivolution, Lopmon, Dark Antilamon, Heaven's Judgment, Tsumon, Gaomon, Dark Knightmon. At least here's the Omnimon Alter S super rare. Deadly X, Gauga, Gabumon, Terriermon, Tylamon, Trident, Gaia, Turui, Black Repeat, Pina, Translator, Gaiomon, Agumon Expert. Seven packs and 3 or 4 big hits left. Okay, that should be a rare. Terrier, Pack, Skull, Full Metal, Trident, Turui, Gilmon, Metal Greymon, Yokumon, Vergarumon, Shadow Seraphimon, Machka Ogamon, that's an altered or secret rare. That should be a normal rare. Full Metal, Agumon, Fake Expert, Greymon, Turui, Gilmon, Antula, Crow, Doe, Coco, Kerubi. Oh no, I'm stupid. Which is nothing new. Seed Garurumon. Which means I'm only missing Kuzuhamon and Blitz Greymon. But I don't think this will work out. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. That's already 6 super rares. If it's the same ratio in every box, I'm not gonna pull any more super rares. Of course it can be an alt art, but yeah. Fake Expert, Grey, Male, Lob, Trident, Turui, Gilmon, Yoko, Vergomon, Rice Greymon, Terriermon Assistant, this looks like something special, so I'm keeping it for the finale. Gaoka, Gabu, Terrier, Peck, Skull Knight, Antula, Trident, Pina, Digital Translator, Dark Mail, Kiriha, Gold Vidramon, oh. And oh, okay, I think this is just a rare. Gaussmon, Garurumon, Tarnished Hero, Deadly X-Mon, Rainamon, Wendigomon, Geogreymon, Black Groundmon, Greymon, Black Repeatmon, Henry and Shuchong. Oh, okay, that's Chaos Gallantmon. But there's 2 alt arts. Thank. No, I'm not thanking anyone yet. Greymon, Male Birdramon, Lobmon, Gaussmon, Gilmon, Antylamon, Heaven's Judgment, Sumon, Gaumon, Black Groundmon, Matt and Tai. And the first alt art is Kuzuhamon. Yes. Oh, that's really nice because I think she has waifu tags. Which is something I really, really hate. So I'm glad I pulled it. But I also had luck with Sakuyamon and Rika in X2. Yay. And the final pack. Garurumon, Tarnished Hero, Deadly X-Mon, Ogamon, Gabumon, Rainamon, Wendigomon, Greymon, Black Repeatmon, Pinamon, Rice Greymon, and the final alt art is I hate my life. I hate it so much. And that's the reason why I shouldn't gamble. How can you even be so unlucky? It's 2 displays from the same person. 2. Probably... He probably took them out of the... what's it called? I don't know. Display full of displays. Back to back, and there's 2 of the same Altards back to back. So yeah, this is the final outcome. The Super Rares Victory Greymon, Blitz Greymon, Crest Garurumon, Wravemon, Omnimon Alter S, Seed Garurumon, Shine Greymon Ruin Mode, Normal Art, Secret Rare, Guzohamon Altered, and repeats of Gold Vidramon Altered and Crest Garurumon Altered. But I think in theory, with the Guzohamon Altered, I've actually pulled every card number at least once, except for the Secret Rare Omnimon Alter B. So yeah, that's fine. And at least I got these 2 super cool cards. So see you at the next unpacking. Bye.